So here is the Android 12, and the security patch level we get here is the 5th of April 2022, which is the latest one, and the kernel is the Redmi kernel. Now moving back, this is the about phone section, and this is the settings page, a redesigned one, and on swiping we get to see the Corvus settings. These are all the customizations available, which I'll show you later in the video, so watch the video till the end. Moving to the system settings, these are the options available here, and we get to see the gestures. In the gestures, these are the options. Nothing here is new, everything is just the same, and we get to see the 3-finger swipe for the screenshot option available. So it's just the Android 12, there is nothing new here in the gestures and the backup, developer options and everything. We just get to see all the usual stuff available here. Now moving to the other settings here, in the security, these are the options. The face unlock here is missing, but the fingerprint scanner here is working perfectly fine. It's accurate, fast and fluid. But if you are noticing, the animation here is not working. If you know, there is an unlocking animation for the Android 12 which is not available, but on the home screen this time here is not available. It's a bug. Like after the reboot you will get to see the animation, so this is a bug present here. Otherwise the screen lock, everything here just works fine, it's fluid. This is the lock screen UI, just the usual Android 12 UI available. That's it for the security. Now moving to the wallpaper and style, these are the options available, and we get to see the themed icons available here, but this is not the Google launcher, so these themed icons just don't work. To turn on the themed icons, you need to go to the home settings. In the home settings you need to turn on this option, and if you turn off, the themed icons will just go. The themed icons should go, but this time it's just not going. And if I turn on this is also still there. So this is a bug with the launcher and with the system, like the Android bug. So this is also a bug present here. Now moving back, as you saw, now the themed icons are gone. Now let's just turn on these themed icons and see if the themed icon gets turned on or not. So for the home screen, the themed icon has turned on. For the app drawer also, the themed icon will be on, which just does not look that great. So yeah, I just don't like this feature. For the themed icon, like this is a ROM bug, like the launcher bug present here. Moving forward to the display options, these are the options. We get to see the extra dim option available, the prevent accidental wake up, the dark theme, override forced dark. Like whenever you turn on the dark mode, this will override all the apps to turn to the dark mode. Then we get to see the night light and everything, double tap to wake, sleep, everything works fine. The ambient display also works perfectly fine, no issues. Moving to the sounds, these are also just the same options available, and Mi Sound Enhancer here is available, which is working fine. Now as this is the volume panel UI. Moving to the Corvus settings, these are the theming options available here, the icon pack, signal icon, Wi-Fi icon pack. These are some new options available. The status bar items are just the same. Quick settings, lock screen customizations here are available. The quick settings here, as you can see, these are the only options, the brightness slider, position and everything. These are the only quick settings customizations available. Moving to the battery, these are the options, the battery style, percent and everything. Toggle colorful battery icon, but this requires a system UI reboot. Let's just see how it looks. As you can see, the battery icon here is just still the same. Now moving to the notifications, these are the options, only customization notification options available. The buttons and nav bar options here are available, volume, rocker, wave and everything. The miscellaneous includes the unlimited photo storage and the unlock higher FPS in games. These are the both options available here. So this was it for the settings, and in the settings UI you have noticed this option, and on clicking it will show your info, the device settings and everything, Google account and everything. And on clicking the Corvus option, this is the Corvus version, the Corvus version S2.1 Revolt, and the maintainer here is Trishiraj. The build here is 7th April. And if you want to open the Revolt desk, then you can just click on it, it will show you the updates here if the updates are available. As you can see, an update here is available, but I'll not be able to download the update and like I'll not able to install the update because there is a force encryption on all the Android 12 ROMs. So you will need to clean flash the ROM from the recovery like you do. These are the quick settings, nothing here is new. We get to see the camera access and the mic access option available. Nothing here is new. Talking about the camera, the default camera we get to see here is this normal camera. It's of no use, and the Gcam here works fine, no issues with the Gcam. Talking about the safety net status, the safety net status has passed and all the banking apps are working perfectly fine. There are no issues. Google Pay, Paytm, all the other banking apps are working fine. Talking about the Geekbench scores, here are the scores 518 and 1684. So scores are good enough. And overall performance here is just great. You can just turn off this themed icon, it's just not looking that great. But overall the performance here is great. Gaming performance here is very good, I must say. Not just like that the Corvus is called a gaming ROM, but the gaming performance on this ROM is just incredible. It's great, and overall performance for the day-to-day usage here is also great. It's very smooth, fluid, and it's running at the 120 Hz. Talking about the battery backup here is just great on this ROM. You will easily get around 3 to 4 hours of screen on time for 60 to 70% battery drain, which is good. So yeah, now talking about the DRM info, we get to see the wideband L1 and the HD playback just works fine. Now talking about the call quality, the calls just works fine, but this is a bug present here. Whenever you open the dialer app, this is what it shows: this device isn't supported and phone calls may not work correctly. So this is a bug present here in this ROM. Otherwise everything just works fine. Talking about the other bugs, you can see this in this lock screen. So as you can see, the lock screen is not showing, so this is a bug present here. And this is a UI bug, as you can see this icon. So this is a UI bug present here. Otherwise everything just works fine. As you can see now, the unlocking animation here is available. So there are few UI bugs present here in this ROM, and face unlock here is missing. Otherwise everything just works fine. So this is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.